There's a Deception Pass Bridge. We start for a beautiful location called Deception Pass, located about 80 miles from Seattle. The state park covers more than 4,000 acres in 10 islands. We went there in a day that looks quite dreamy. Sunny day, clear blue sky on top, emerald water and fog in between. Deception Pass is Washington's most visited state park for mysterious coves, rugged cliffs, stunning sunsets, and a 150-feet high bridge. Is a strait separating Whidbey Island from Findalgo Island in the northwest part of the US state of Washington. Originally, George Vancouver, the captain in the British Navy who explored the area as part of expedition in the 1790s, gave it the name because the waterway deceived him into thinking that Whidbey was an entrance to a bay rather than an island. Englishman Joseph Whidbey proved this wrong in 1972, hence named Deception Pass. Ocean currents under the bridge can peak speed of 10 miles per hour and change the direction with the tide change. Opened in 1935. At that time, it costs more to paint the bridge than to build it. Had cost $482,000. Currently, contractor crews working to repair, restore, and repaint the Deception Pass Bridge and Kenai Pass Bridge is closed through March 31st, 2022. Our tour of an open-air jet boat through the water around Deception Pass and surrounding area can be booked from deceptionpasstour.com. I am sharing the link in description. There is an 1 mile trail from Deception Pass Bridge to Max Cove. From the shore of Max Cove, looking forward, Findalgo Island and Deception Pass Bridge are visible. One more popular trail of Deception Pass State Park is Lighthouse Point Trail of 4.7-mile round trip, though no lighthouse is there. Cranberry Lake in saltwater shoreline located near Camano Island, Washington, has a 2.1-mile lightly trafficked out and back trail that features beautiful wildflowers and good for all skill levels. Rosario Beach comes within the Findalgo Island of Deception Pass State Park at the southwestern corner. Activities like swimming, boating, diving, kayaking, fishing, mountain biking, hiking, bird watching, wildlife viewing are very popular here. Overall, Deception Pass State Park is worth $10 entry fee, or if you have Discovery Pass with you, that will be really great. Thanks for watching, and as always, give us a like, write comment. New viewers, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon for new upload notifications. See you next time.